Due to worldwide shortage of protective face masks, out of loving concern, Master has shown us how to make our own. We air these tips from Supreme Master Ching Hai again, hoping it will help our brothers and sisters in time of urgency. May God protect us all.
You can make your own protective mask by cutting a square piece of transparent hard plastic. Attach it to a harder band by taping or stapling. Then band it over your forehead with an elastic band or clothes piece to shield your whole face while outing in public places such as supermarkets, etc. Wash and dry after till next use.
During the pandemic, please don't be the panic buyer because some important items such as gloves and masks are not always fully available. So please just make your own mask, make your own glove. You just use a big eco-friendly disposable plastic bag to cover your hands. You can put a rubber band on the opening of the eco-friendly plastic bag like this one and put your hand through it. The finished product is like this, see, and the rubber band will hold it in place. You see the rubber band on my wrist. Now you have a makeshift glove, which is very handy and useful, just like any glove. If you still have a lot of room inside, see, I can grab things from the supermarket if I go shopping with this kind of makeshift glove. And then you save the professional, real glove for the doctor and the nurses. Please be considerate because it's life and death matter. In time of difficulty for our world like this, we cannot be selfish. Do not take everything on the shelves which the doctors and the nurses might need. Thank you very much. And, homemade mask, use a handkerchief, double it, tie it both ends with an elastic band. Put it on your ears and use it while you're outing, like shopping. You can see the mask work, okay? Use a soft handkerchief and double it or make it triple to protect yourself. And outside you wear the shield that made with hard plastic that I have shown you previously. And then you'll be safe enough. And pray, of course. God is our true protector. Please don't forget heaven. Don't forget the angels. Don't forget God. Everything else can just protect us to a certain extent. Please consider others. Make your own mask. You can see with just a plastic band here. You can hang it on your ear like a professional one. You have to discard the plastic bag after you get out of the supermarket. If you want to use it again, wash real good and hang it in the sun, at least for a few hours before you use it again. And the face mask, you wash, hang it in the sun and reuse it. Then at least you feel protected and safe physically. That is as far as it gets how to protect yourself during pandemic. The doctor and the nurse need the mask and the gloves, please, to save others and themselves. They are in the front line to save lives. They are heroes. Please protect the doctors and the nurses and all the hospital personnel by not hoarding all the gloves and the masks that you see. God bless you. God protect you.
All of Supreme Master Ching Hai's tips for protection, there are more during the COVID-19 and any other pandemic, are free for viewing and download at masterstipsoncovid-19.com.
Be vegan, make peace.